First thing that you need to do so that you can 3D print is you have to sign up for a website called TinkerCad. So you're going to go to tinkercad.com and you're going to click join now. From there you're going to click create a personal account and then sign up with email. You're going to have to put in your birthday and your country territory for your birthday. Put in your real birthday, but what you want to do is if you're under the age of 13, you're going to want to put your year so that it makes it you over 13. So you can just put the year 2000, and then you're going to create an email and a password. You want to make sure you remember your password, and there's also some requirements that you need for your password. So just make sure that your password fits those requirements. And then you're going to want to make sure you agree to terms and services and create your account. Then it'll come up with this screen. You can click or unclick the box and then press done. And it'll redirect you to TinkerCad where it'll give you a tutorial. And that's that. So then you're going to need to download PrusaSlicer. So you're going to go to PrusaSlicer download. You're just going to click that first link and scroll down. And then you're going to install the Windows drivers and apps package full installer. And then you're going to wait about a minute or two for that to download and then just open that up. After you have PrusaSlicer and TinkerCad signed up for and downloaded, you're going to open TinkerCad, and to create your print, you're going to click New. And then you can pick whatever shape or anything like that you want. For this, we just used a very basic cylinder, and then clicked Export as an STL, and then you're going to open PrusaSlicer so that we can prep your print for the 3D printer. You're going to click the cube with the plus icon, and then find your Paint 3D file in the downloads of your file explorer, and you're just going to open that. Make sure that it's not too big, and that you're either in draft or detail, maybe quality for your print, but those take really long. And then you can click slice now. After that, you're going to go over to your 3D printer and you're going to take the USB out of your 3D printer. All of the USBs look different, so it's okay if yours looks a little different than mine. You're going to plug that into your computer and then click Export G-code. You're then going to name it with your first name and then what it is. You want to put your first name in it so that if it fails, someone can notify you. And then you're going to save it to that USB drive. Mine was called Prusa Mini, but some have different names. And then you're going to save it to there and unplug the USB from your computer and put it back to your 3D printer. And watch me struggle for like 15 seconds to put it back. But while I struggle, I just want to let you know it's very common for 3D prints to fail. So yeah, don't be discouraged. Just find a new 3D print. And sometimes it might just fail once, but it might work the next time. So after I plug it back in, finally, I'm going to click print. The 3D printer is going to start heating up, and then it's going to plot its points and start printing. If you're not there when your 3D print finishes, then you're going to want to look in the unclaimed prints, which is where mine was, so I just grabbed it from there.